Ladies and gentlemen, as global investors navigate turbulent markets, China's 2024 FDI report reveals a counterintuitive truth. 87% of the foreign firms are expanding their business here in China, despite geopolitical headwinds. I'm attorney Guan Baokui, and in the next 12 minutes, we'll decode why China remains a strategic imperative. As you can see, this is my personal information and also my contact information. This is the summary of this slide. Before diving deep, let's anchor on 4 irreversible trends. First, 9 out of 10 German manufacturers are doubling down in China during 2024. Second, green energy investment surged 45% last quarter. Third, Zhejiang province now approached tech project in 18 days, faster than Silicon Valley. And crucially, non-compliance fines tripled in 2023. This isn't an optional choice, it's existential. Let's talk about the gender in this slide. We will move through 3 acts today: diagnosing the confidence surge through unfiltered data, mapping high-yield, low-risk entry points, equipping you with the 5-step compliance playbook. Time is tight. Let's begin with numbers that matters. At the end of the slide, there were a couple of questions and answers. "2024 Confidence Benchmark". This chart tells a forbidden truth. While Western media obsess over decoupling, China's FDI confidence leapfrogged 4 global rivals to rank third. But here's what they are missing. 91% German retention isn't about loyalty, it's about cold, hard maths. Auto part margin here are 22% higher than Mexico. Now let's follow the money. When HSBC says 87% expand, they are chasing tier 3 cities, 300 million middle-class consumers, while tech investors face a dilemma. Guangdong province offers 15% research and development rebates, yet Shanghai mandates AI ethics reviews. Your sector dedicates your battlefield. As you can see in this matrix, which is your cheat sheet, notice Zhejiang's zero value-added tax for digital projects. That's why Alibaba's rival pour $2 billion annually into Hangzhou. But be aware Chongqing's trap. 30% cheaper land sounds tempting until you face Yangtze River shipping delays. Legal environment progress. Transitioning from why to how, let's desert MOFCOM's silent revolution. Last month, my team resolved an IP dispute in 53 days, down from 90 days in 2023. But celebrate cautiously. New data laws require onshore servers for fintech firms. One client faced 2.8 $8 million penalties for a single AWS backup. Risk alert matrix. This red flag dashboard saved my clients $17 million last year. Top lesson: cyber security isn't IT's problem, it's the CEO's. When Walmart's Chinese subsidiary got fined for employees' chart logs, the board learned the hard way. WeChat messages are legal evidence. You need to keep that in mind. Strategic recommendation 1. Here's your invasion map. Start with a stealth LLC to test incentives. Once profitable, convert into a joint venture, but only with provincially endorsed partners. Finally, go all in as a wholly foreign-owned enterprises when regulators recognize your ESG compliance. Miss those pieces, and you will be bleeding cash. Recommendation 2. Isolation kills. Join MCAM's quarterly crisis drills. Last month's simulation exposed 17 hidden subsidiary traps. Better yet, co-author CCPIT service. My clients who suggested streamlined custom saw their proposals become Zhejiang province in 6 months. Long-term positioning. Looking beyond 2024, China's playing 4D chess. By 2025, AI governance consoles will greenlight your algorithm or bury them. My prediction: the Great Bay Area will outspace Singapore in fintech, but the Yangtze Delta will dominate chips. Your move. China remains indispensable in global supply chains, with 2024 marketing accelerated legal modernization and sectoral opportunities. You need to know more about that one. We'll take 3 questions, make them count, and leave your comments and answers in the comments below the video. Looking forward for your splendid sharing of your personal experience in this issue. This is my business card. You can contact me through the cell phone number, WeChat, and also the email. Looking forward to present more valuable slides regarding the FDI in China in the future. Thank you for your time. Really appreciate it.